Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. So this is a video showing the different body scrub. The first brown one is dulce. I have two types of turmeric, and I have henna leaves powder. This is one turmeric, this is another turmeric. This turmeric I made it myself from drying the fresh turmeric to blending it into a powder. So this is the result I got. The other turmeric, I got it from the market. It's called Kalta. It's in the market. You can just get it like in a place where they sell Meduguri, like Dulce items or Sudanese body scrub items. So this is the Dulce. This is Dilka. It's brown in color. It's kind of like rough when you touch it. And then I'll be using sandal bahur powder. Sandal bahur powder is good for making body scrub. Sandal powder is good. It smoothens the skin. So I'll be needing sandal bahur. I added a spoonful of the first turmeric, and I'm adding the second spoonful of curcum turmeric. And then this is my dulce. I'll be needing 2 spoonfuls because I want the dulce to be much. Dulce is an exfoliator. It helps to exfoliate the skin and make the skin looking beautiful and lush, and just makes skin to look so good. So I'll be adding all the ingredients together. And then this is my henna powder, that's lele, garin lele. I'll be adding it into the mixture, and then I'll add a little more curcum. It depends on your choice here. If you want the dulce to be much, you can make it to be. If you want the curcum to be much, you can make it. But don't forget, the curcum will make you have this yellowish look, so you need to like put it in a moderate quantity. Then I will be adding sandal powder, 1 spoonful of sandal powder. Then I'll be adding sugar, half spoonful of sugar. Why I added a little sugar is because I'll be using hot water to mix it when I want to use it. So this is it. This is